Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Welcome to FinWin, where I make finance simple, actionable, and tailored just for you. From mastering personal finance and budgeting tips to building a secure financial foundation, I guide you every step of the way. Imagine having the tools and knowledge to manage your money with ease. Ready to grow your wealth? I break down investments and stocks into easy-to-understand strategies so you can make informed decisions. Picture yourself confidently investing and watching your wealth grow. Dreaming of an early retirement? Discover the strategies to make it happen. From building passive income streams to maximizing your savings, I'll help you retire on your terms. Imagine enjoying the freedom of early retirement. Debt doesn't have to be a burden. Learn how to manage and eliminate it effectively so you can focus on what matters most, your financial freedom. Feel the relief of living debt-free. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are taking charge of their financial future. Subscribe now, and let's build a brighter, wealthier tomorrow together. Subscribe today and never miss an update. Your financial journey starts here with FinWin.